prior to MES, we had a shop floor system that was not very effective. So we had very poor results. One plant had maybe 10% of the workforce where we're actually collecting labor transactions. So once we switched to MES, we were able to have much better data collection for all of our shop floor, start getting some accurate labor times on our work orders. Number one goal, collecting labor against our units that are running through the plant so that we could get actual measurements of how well we were performing versus what we quoted. So we were definitely able to do a better job of that, collecting labor time and by unit and reporting out on that. The other part of it is, from an inventory standpoint, we were able to have much more timely inventory transactions. So good, in fact, that where we were doing cycle counts with about 60% to 70% accuracy, we improved to 98%. And with that, we were actually able to eliminate our annual physical inventories and just go to a cycle count program, which basically allowed us to have another day to 2 days of extra production time every year. So, from a financial standpoint, we were able to have an additional over $1 million in units produced on an annual basis just by eliminating that physical inventory process. It definitely helps with the visibility, just with the increased better data collection, not only for the management team, but also for the people on the floor to have a better view of not only what they need to work on, but also kind of a reporting out on how they're actually performing and doing their jobs. Very little time. A single training session, most of them caught on very easy. It's probably the reason why we picked paperless over some other options, because for the shop floor users, it was very intuitive and very easy for them to navigate the screens. Very good experience. The team is fantastic. Implementation went very smoothly. So very happy with the product.